Hey everybody, I just want to show you a cool little upgrade. Now we're all accustomed to when a lot of houses have attics and you have an attic door such as this. But what we love is this little thing. It's a cool little upgrade, runs you about 20 bucks. You could probably create your own for a few dollars less, but just spend the 20 bucks and save the effort unless you're the creative type. But what you do is instead of having the string in the attic, you put this little hook where the string goes, and then what it allows you to do is it allows you to pull this down, and voila, you're good to go. And the same thing for going up. So maybe don't let it up quite so fast, but the beautiful thing is instead of having a string that's not attractive, you have this hook, it's out of the way, it's inconspicuous, and then something like this, you just take it and you stick it in a closet nearby, or you could even put a little clip on the wall. And in our case, we just set it right there. And boom, it's out of the way, but it's right by the attic, easy to access. And it's simple, it's 20 bucks, but here's the beautiful thing. If you're selling a property, no one likes to look at a bed string. So by just removing that little thing, it's one less objection to deal with when selling a house. So hope you found this helpful. Thanks.